Immersion blenders are some of the most versatile tools you can own in your kitchen. From silky soups to smoothies, sauces, whipped cream, baby food, and even chopping nuts or frothing milk, the right stick blender can truly do it all. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best immersion blenders of 2025, ranked from number 5 to number 1. Let's jump right in. Starting at number 5, we have the Ovente HS560W. This lightweight and budget-friendly blender comes with a 300-watt motor, giving you enough power to make sauces, dips, purees, smoothies, shakes, and even baby food with ease. It's equipped with 2 adjustable speeds and a pulse-activated sensor, letting you control the texture of your blends with just one touch. The design is sleek and ergonomic, featuring a non-slip handle for comfort and control. Its slim stainless steel immersion shaft fits into most mixing bowls, pots, or beakers, so you don't need to worry about finding the right container. When it comes to cleanup, the detachable shaft makes things super easy. It's dishwasher safe, or you can rinse it under running water. Plus, Ovente backs this blender with a 1-year warranty and US-based customer service, which adds peace of mind for new buyers. The Ovente is not the most powerful option on this list, but for everyday blending tasks like smoothies, soups, and sauces, it's a reliable and affordable choice that gets the job done. Coming in at number 4 is the Braun MultiQuick 5, a stick blender that has actually been named America's Test Kitchen's top pick in its category. This hand blender uses Braun's patented Power Bell system, combining ultra-hard stainless steel blades with a bell-shaped blending shaft. This clever design reduces suction, draws food inward, and produces finer, smoother blending results. On top of that, it features splash control technology, so blending is mess-free with virtually no splattering. At 350 watts, the German-engineered motor is not the most powerful, but it's designed for long-lasting durability and smooth, comfortable operation. The handle has a soft grip, slip-proof design, making it easy to use even for extended blending sessions. The Braun MultiQuick 5 also includes the Easy Click accessory system, allowing you to quickly switch between attachments. This means you can blend, whisk, chop, mash, crush, and puree with one tool. It even comes with a beaker and whisk right in the box. If you want a well-balanced hand blender with thoughtful engineering, precise blending, and the confidence of being tested and recommended by experts, the Braun MultiQuick 5 is a great pick. At number 3, we have the Mueller Multistick Heavy-Duty 5-in-1 Immersion Blender, which delivers incredible performance for its price. This blender is equipped with a full copper 800-watt motor, paired with a titanium steel 4-blade rotation system. Together, they give it unmatched power to crush, pulverize, and blend even the toughest ingredients. Whether it's ice, nuts, or fibrous vegetables, the Mueller makes smooth blends effortlessly. It features 12 adjustable speeds for precise control, plus a turbo mode for maximum blending power when you need it. With this level of customization, you can prepare everything from silky smoothies and baby food to thick salsas and creamy soups. What sets this blender apart is its 5-in-1 functionality. The set includes a whisk attachment, frother, a 20-ounce beaker, and a twist-and-lock mini food processor chopper with a 16-ounce bowl. The chopper is especially useful for onions and herbs, eliminating mess and even saving you from teary eyes when chopping onions. The ergonomic design features a non-slip grip handle, making it comfortable to use, and all parts are detachable and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Mueller also stands behind their product with live customer care, not just email support, and a satisfaction guarantee. If you want maximum versatility and serious blending power in one package, the Mueller Multistick is an excellent mid-range choice. In the number 2 spot, we have the Vitamix 5-speed Immersion Blender, a professional-grade stick blender from one of the most trusted names in blending. This immersion blender runs on a 625-watt motor, giving it plenty of strength to tackle tough ingredients. It comes with 5 speed settings and a 4-pronged stainless steel blade, helping you achieve your perfect texture, whether you're making chunky salsas, silky soups, or creamy smoothies. One of its standout features is the unique bell guard. This not only reduces suction, which helps food flow smoothly around the blades, but it also protects your pots, pans, and blending containers from scratches. The Vitamix is designed for ease of use, featuring one-handed operation, making it convenient whether you're left or right-handed. It also comes with a long 5-foot cord, giving you freedom to move around your kitchen without worrying about outlet placement. Another advantage is that it can blend in just about any container with a 3-inch wide opening or larger, from a large pot of soup to a 1-quart mason jar. While it doesn't come with multiple attachments like some of the others on this list, its build quality, power, and brand reputation make it a standout choice for serious home cooks who want dependability and precision. Finally, taking the #1 spot is the Coyos 5-in-1 Hand Blender. This powerhouse immersion blender comes with an upgraded 1,000-watt copper motor, making it the most powerful option on this list. The motor is not only stronger than standard hand blenders, but also promises a 3 times longer service life compared to common motors. It features 12 adjustable speeds, plus a turbo boost function, giving you complete control over blending tasks. With this much flexibility, you can prepare smoothies, soups, sauces, baby food, whipped cream, and even chop meat and nuts in just seconds. The set comes fully loaded with accessories: a 600 ml mixing beaker, a 500 ml food processor bowl, a whisk, and a milk frother, making it a true all-in-one solution. This means you can blend, chop, whisk, and froth with a single appliance. The stainless steel blades are sharp enough to handle even the hardest ingredients, and the anti-splash design keeps your counters clean. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort and stability, even with one-handed use. For easy cleaning, the attachments are detachable and dishwasher safe, and it even comes with a hook for storage. Coyos also provides 24-hour customer support and lifelong technical consultation, so you're covered long after purchase. If you're looking for the ultimate combination of power, versatility, and durability, the Coyos 5-in-1 is without a doubt the best immersion blender on the market right now. So there you have it, our picks for the top 5 best immersion blenders of 2025. Whether you're looking for something affordable and lightweight like the Ovente, expert-tested like the Braun MultiQuick, all-in-one versatility with the Mueller, professional-grade power from Vitamix, or the ultimate performance with the Coyos, there's an option here to suit every kitchen. Which one would you add to your kitchen? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more home and kitchen